Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Critics Hub.
Alright, let's now talk about Fist of the North Star 26, Episode 7. Probably one of the most violent anime episodes I have ever seen. Pero, i-deep dive natin. Pace! Ano pa ba ang masasabi ko sa pacing ng episode na to? Tense! Masasabi talagang action anime na napanood nyo rito. Alright? And it just matched the violence of it. So do I have complaints? Obviously, wala guys. I am totally flabbergasted by the pacing of this episode. Okay? Imagine a main protagonist that can kill two, that can pull off two boss kills in the same episode. Only the pacing will make you feel that. Only this kind of a pacing will make you feel that vibe. You cannot miss a single sequence of this episode. Now, for the two sequences that we collectively call the flow. First gear shift. Actually, itong dalawang to napaka no-brainer. Okay? The first no-brainer of a gear shift was when Kenshiro killed the Mad Sarge. Okay? No-brainer of a gear shift, folks. Kasi dito na nalaman kung saan matatagpuan yung pinaka-leader ng Golan. So, kung sino talaga ang kailangan niyang patayin dito. Yun lang yun. And for a main protagonist, he is fucking scary. Si Kenshiro. Now I know why the original series is a classic. Yeah, let's be clear on that, guys. I did not see the full OG series, pero I've seen snippets from its episodes, and I thought, bakit di ko napanood dito? Okay, yung second gear shift kasi, yung what you call this? Of course, another no-brainer nga pala. Kenshiro kills the Colonel, and if you're an anime, if you're a normie to anime, one of the most disturbing deaths you will ever see. All right? There's this move by Kenshiro called the Bone Crusher Strike. Kaya pala tinawag na Bone Crusher Strike ito. Lalabas ang buong kalansay mo, instantly killing you. Yun nga nangyari. Pero guys, wouldn't that be enough for you to totally appreciate this episode? Huwag niyong paniwala na sinasabi ko kung lalo sa mga dinidim kong gear shifts na eksena. Watch it from start to finish, or you're going to miss every single action-packed moment here. Alright? You're not a true fan of this franchise if you do not watch this episode from beginning to end. Okay? The flow is just the appetizer. Now, plot-wise, nag-isip pa malinis ang plot, guys! Alright. If you've seen the episode already, merong backstory sequence dito ang Colonel. Yung head honcho ng Golan. Alright? So, pero I deem this as an explainer Hindi naman ganun kahaba na hindi rin kasi ganun kahaba na dapat i-deem ko as planchado ito. Nope. It's sort of a quick one. And it's totally, well, if you leave that out, hindi kayo mawawala sa kwentuhan. Yun lang yun. You won't get lost in the plot, so to speak. It just clearly illustrates what's going on in the Colonel's mind as he's telling his backstory to Kenshiro. Yeah, but eventually, Kenshiro kills him. Okay? So, pace, flow, and plot, yeah, absolutely came together, and I cannot wait for the next episode. If you ask me, although I have seen only scenes from the original series, this reboot is more violent than the original. And it's 7 episodes in. Starting to be better than it. So, Fist of the North Star 26, episode 7.